You've been sad, you've been hiding so long. Don't be scared, just you keep holding on. I've been there. Locked myself away, can't bear to face another day. You're broken and ashamed, but if you search within yourself, you can learn to love you, and you'll learn to heal the pain. Let strength hold you, let it shelter you from rain. The shadows cast away your pride, while the light that shines inside of you. Ooh.